What is going on out there, peeps? All right, I was going to kind of cover this a little bit later on when I do my stock watch, but as I see what's going on in the market currently, I decided I should get this out early to you guys, okay? So there are some movements happening that you should be aware of that I'm going to touch on, okay? So real quick, you guys, look, right now is the time more than ever. Thousands of my subscribers, that's not exaggeration, literally, have went over to Money Metals Exchange to purchase a ton of precious metals, you guys. All right, so go on over there. Look, if you go, the link is in the website. Link is in the description. Follow it. When you guys go there, okay, and you buy more than $100 worth of precious metals, use Pimpy code or use promo code Pimpy, Pimpy, and get a free ½ ounce of silver. Trust me, you're gonna want that silver. You're gonna want it, all right? Because you'll see here in just a second. Let me finish doing what I need to do. You guys who got Pimpy's investment chat, it's the same name as the YouTube channel. In here, we talk about gold and silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as foreign currency opportunities, okay? So, no politics in here, you guys. I know it's hard because often they're tied together, but just investment stuff in here only, okay? Bringing the politicking over to here where it says the hidden things in front of your eyes. In here, you can talk about politics. You can talk about NESARA, Gesara, QAnon, things that people consider a conspiracy, you know, like chemtrails, the whole 9 yards, all right? You could do that in this group. There is a YouTube channel for that group as well, okay? The links are in the description. They're free to join, free. So come on over. Let me show you something. Cryptos are on a run right now, okay? Not surprising, okay? Look at Bitcoin is now over $12,000. As a matter of fact, it's at $12,300. I told you this. There's this 4-year cycle that everybody's eyeballing, and we feel like it's there again. And what I mean by that is, in 2017, when Bitcoin ran up to 20,000, it created this 4-year cycle. Okay, so everybody feels in the crypto world that we are there again, and that we're going to see these cryptocurrencies continue to climb because now people are starting to consider cryptocurrencies a safe haven as well. All right, so these are cryptocurrencies are going up now. Look at XLM, finally above 10 cents. It's almost at 12, although it did a little bit of a correction. But the fact that it's over 10 cents, it's been sitting there for a little while. And I complained about XRP not leaving between 18 cents and 19 cents, and now it's up to almost 32 cents, you guys. All right, these are running. Of course, look at my Ethereum at $438. Love it. Look at people are dashing over there. Okay, Bitcoin, $12,312. Okay, so this, for those of you who want to buy cryptocurrencies, and a lot of you in the group have been asking again, I keep forgetting to remind people that I do have a link in the description where you can go, follow it, and you can get cryptocurrencies. Okay, so just follow the link that's in my description. Let's get over to here. Did I not tell you we would see a dip and it will recover? We're almost back to the $2,000 mark on gold again. Look at silver. As a spastic child, high on sugar. I told you this was going to happen, and we're seeing the rebound happen already. So I'm hoping that most of you, I get amateurs, I get it. You're nervous. You haven't done this before. When you buy and you spend a lot of money on precious metals, then all of a sudden you see a drop. You get nervous. I know. I used to be in that same boat as you. And that's why I was warning people several videos ahead of time. I am expecting a correction. I actually expected it in July. It did not happen. But I was happy it did happen when it did happen, okay? Because now we can shake off the jitters, all right? You should know what I'm talking about when I said that there's going to be a dip and that it would rebound. So now you can look at, literally see it. You can see it. Gold back almost up to $2,000, okay? This happens when you're dealing with investments. You will see a market correction when it keeps climbing, 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 climbing. What happens is people do a couple things. People have spent a lot of money on both gold and silver. So when it's been climbing up as much as it does, they want to hurry up and grab the profits and they'll sell. There are other people who do what's called shaving. So if I invest $10,000 in, let's say, silver, let's say it even gets up to $15,000, then I'll sell 5,000 of my silver back and recoup 5,000 of my original $10,000 investment. This way, the only thing I'm risking is $5,000. Do you see how that works? Again, I'll just give you another quick example. Just use round numbers. Let's say you spent $10,000 on precious metals. The market goes up and you've doubled your money. You now have $20,000 worth of precious metals. So if you're worried about risk or loss, then sell back $10,000 worth of your precious metals. This way, then you've recouped back, and it's in your pockets, in your bank account, wherever you're going to put it. Your original investment, the $10,000 remaining, is playing with what we call house money. All right? So you're not risking anything. That's just what you made off your initial investment. So you just ride that big dog, all right? So that's what's going on. I was going to do this later on when I do my stock watch videos because there's minor stocks are running. But I thought, no, you guys need to, right now, if you have the chance to, some of you have been procrastinating. I get that. Some of you are new and you're not sure what to do. Again, I bring this up. Many of you are saying, Pimpy, I have this huge IRA account. I feel nervous about transferring the entire IRA account over to precious metals. Fine, you don't have to do your entire account. But what I would suggest, if I may, and this is just my opinion and my opinion only, is that maybe you consider, 25, 30% of your retirement IRA account transferred over to precious metals just in case. So if the stocks that your accounts are invested in bottom out, you still have your gold and silver, which will go up. So then it will make up for the money you lost if the market crashes. Do you see what I'm saying? If it doesn't crash, guess what? You still have your investment into whatever your IRA is invested into. It's still there. And on top of it, you have precious metals just in case. And the value's still there. Do you see what I'm saying? Investing into precious metals only protects your position. It protects your wealth. I just did a video the other day that showed you that. Berkshire. This is Warren Buffett's hedge fund group. They moved a huge amount. I think it was like $500 million into precious metals. And this is on top of Warren Buffett mocking people who run to precious metals. Yeah, go figure. Okay, what did I say? Watch what they do, not what they say. That is just their way of protecting their wealth. They know it is, and they don't want to risk anything. So you should do the same. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with moving part of your portfolio over to precious metals so you can protect your wealth. But in this case, it's different. I really do believe we are looking at a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity like never before, obviously, if it's once in a lifetime. Where people will not only be able to preserve their wealth with precious metals, but they'll actually be able to gain wealth with precious metals. Okay, you guys? I don't want you to miss out on this opportunity. I really don't. You're seeing that they're going back up. I proved myself. I told you guys, look, it's going to continue to go up way back in April. It continued to go up. I told you then we were waiting for a correction. It kept going. I said there's going to be a correction. It kept going. We got through June. We got into July. I go, for sure it's going to happen in July. It kept going. No, we got through July. And then in August, after warning you guys we would see some type of correction, you would see a dip in the price. It would drop. And I said, don't panic. Don't panic. Hang tight. And most of you did. At least all of you as far as I know. And you were smart enough to listen and hang tight. And now look at the prices, the values, or I should say, the spot value of gold and silver is almost back up to where it was. Do you see what I'm talking about? This happens when you're dealing with investments. You're going to see gold will go back over 2,000. Silver, get ready. It'll hit $28 here pretty soon. This week is going to be extremely interesting in many different ways. So many different ways. All right. So around the world, I showed you guys articles that people, their citizens are moving into precious metals. So this is a good move, man. It really is. Some of you sold houses that you were like, I was going to rebuild them. We're not doing anything with it. That's fine. Good. I can't tell you guys what to do with your investment, but at least protect you and your family's investment or your retirement accounts by moving into precious metals. I told you it was going to go back up, and look at it is. All right. Okay, you guys. So look, if you are new to this and you have not bought precious metals, again, I can't stress this enough. Please give our friends over at Money Metals Exchange a consideration when buying your precious metals. The link is in the description. And if you go there and you buy more than $100 worth of precious metals, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get free silver. Okay? All right, you guys, look, I just wanted to show this. I was going to wait till later, but no. This gives you, if you were thinking about it, procrastinate it, it gives you the rest of the day to at least go over and make your move. If this has changed your mind in any way, shape, or form, it is the right move. It is, I'm telling you, precious metals are the right move. We're seeing a lot of people do it everywhere. All right, you guys, if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later.